Okay, we're going to show you now how to check in golfers from the tee sheet. So it's Friday, January 11th. I've got an 8 o'clock tee time. It looks like a foursome here. First person comes in. I click on that, and it's Emma Brewer. She's the first one here. So Emma decides to come in and pay. I'm going to check in one golfer. Takes me over here. You want to double check the payment here, and what we have here is today at this time the greens fee is $15, which is right here, and then 18 holes to add on that is another $5 to take a cart for a total of $20. It's always good to kind of see on our pricing sheet on the side of the counter to make sure it's ringing up the proper price, as the price will change throughout the season, throughout the week, and throughout the time of day. So this person comes in, she pays, cash, done deal. She's checked in. Wait around a little bit. Oh, next person of the party comes in. As you can see, this one clocks off. This turns blue. That means one person is paid. Another person pays. It'll fill in here, and then fill in here, and all four have paid. So the next person comes in. They're going to pay for 3 people this time. So it should come up to $60, and it does. And you come here to pay. Cash. Boom. Done deal. All set. Now let's see how it changed on the tee sheet. And there it is. All 4 golfers are checked in and paid for. So you can check this to see how that's going and make it happen. So that's how that's done. If one of them had decided to check in and they wanted to buy something else, you would click this button here or this button there, coffee. That would add on to their greens fees and things of that nature. So that's how that's done. Hopefully you get a lot of experience checking in golfers. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask.